Welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. In today's live, we will be reading the difficult words of Chapter 12 Improvement in Food Resources. This chapter is taken from Class 9th NCERT that is followed in the CBSE board. I hope the text is clear to everyone. So let's begin reading the difficult words of Chapter 12 Improvement in Food Resources. Starting from here, this word is husbandry. Husbandry. Populous. Populous. Tons. Tons. Efficiency. Efficiency. Livestock. Livestock. Contributed. Contributed. Availability. Availability. Degrading. Degrading. This side. Warehouses. Warehouses. Livelihood. Livelihood. Livestock. Poultry. Fisheries. Livestock. Poultry. Fisheries. Now let's come to this topic. Improvement in crop yields. So the first word is cereals. This one is maize, millets, sorghum, chana, matar. So every time an English name is given like black gram, in Hindi it is known as urad, green gram, moong, pigeon pea, arhar, lentil, masoor, groundnut, sesame, castor, mustard, linseed, berseem, oats, or Sudan grass. So let's see all the words of this paragraph again. Cereals, wheat, rice, maize, millets, sorghum, gram in English, in Hindi chana, pea in English, matar in Hindi, black gram in English, urad in Hindi, green gram, English name, Hindi name is moong. You should learn these all. Pigeon pea, arhar, lentil, masoor, groundnut, sesame, castor, mustard, linseed. Fodder grasses are berseem, oats, Sudan grass. Let's move to the next page. Photo period. Photo periods. So photoperiod refers to the amount of light that a plant is exposed to before flowering. Types of crop, kharif, rabi. And the examples are paddy, soybean, pigeon pea, maize, cotton. Now this paragraph has lot more terms for you. Hybridization. Genetically, intervarietal, interspecific, intergeneric, characteristic. Let's say one more time. Hybridization, genetically, intervarietal, just beneath this, interspecific, intergeneric, characteristic. This is one of the very important chapter in terms of pronunciation because Scientific names are given. So you need to learn them as well and you need to pronounce them correctly. Now in this page, salinity, biotic and abiotic resistance, economical, adaptability, stabilizing. Let's say one more time, salinity, biotic and abiotic resistance, economical, adaptability, stabilizing, agronomic, profuse, dwarfness. Agronomic, profuse, dwarfness. This side on the same page, technologies. Technologies, agricultural, macronutrients required in large quantity, micronutrients required in small quantity. But a plant requires both macro and micro. This is the table which is giving you the list of macro and micronutrients. A plant gets carbon and oxygen from air. A plant gets hydrogen and oxygen from water. Macronutrients that a plant gets from soil are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. Micronutrients that a plant gets from soil are iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper, molybdenum, chlorine. So let's say the names of micronutrients once again: iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper, molybdenum, chlorine. This page, physiological. Physiological, susceptibility. Susceptibility. Manure given on this page. So this is manure, excreta, clayey soils, water logging, advantageous. Manure, excreta, clayey soils, water logging, advantageous. Now this side of the same page, livestock excreta. Livestock excreta, sewage, eradicated, composting, earthworms, vermicompost, green manure, plowing, phosphorus. One more time, all these words again. Livestock excreta, sewage, eradicated, composting, earthworms, vermicompost, green manure, plowing, phosphorus. Fertilizers, I can see only one word that will be difficult for you. Replenished. Replenished. Whenever you will watch this video, in case you find any word difficult, you can write in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Next page, optimum. So this is optimum. Fertilizers, herbicides, pesticides, recycled, biofertilizers, turmeric, intercropping, beneficial. Hi Arpit, welcome to this live. Fertilizers, herbicides, pesticides, recycled, biofertilizers, turmeric, intercropping, beneficial. Irrigation. This word is irrigation. Ensuring. Scarcity. Irrigation. Ensuring. Scarcity. Agricultural. Reservoirs. Distributaries. Supplementing. Intercept. Catchment. Initiatives. Watershed management. Agricultural. Reservoirs. Distributaries. Supplementing. Intercept. Catchment. Initiatives. Watershed. In case you are interested in hearing the audio of the complete chapter, a playlist with the name audiobook has already been uploaded. This is the video only for the difficult spellings of the chapter. Insurance. Failure. Next page. This side. So the names of crops are soya bean and maize, or finger millet in Hindi known as bajra, cowpea in Hindi known as lobia. A scientific name is given here because it is written in italics, so it will be pronounced as xanthium. Xanthium. So this is the name of the wheat you need to say. Hindi name of xanthium is gokru. Another scientific name, Parthenium, in Hindi known as Gajar Ghas. Another wheat, Cyprus rotundus. In Hindi, it is known as Motha. So, the names that we have taken, scientific names till now, are Xanthium, Parthenium, Cyprus rotundus. You need to write the scientific names. In case a question comes, write the names of any three weeds. Herbicides, insecticides, fungicides. So the chemicals that will kill the herbs, herbicide, that will kill the insect, insecticide, that will kill the fungus, fungicide. So we are done with the difficult spellings of this page as well. Now in the storage of grains paragraph, inappropriate, degradation, germinability, discoloration, marketability, systematic, fumigation. One more time. Inappropriate, degradation, germinability, discoloration, marketability, systematic, fumigation. This side, livestock, poultry, livestock, poultry. So the cattle can be used for tilling, irrigation, carting. Bos indicus is the scientific name of cow. Bos bubalis is the scientific name of buffalo. Milch animals are also known as dairy animals that produces milk. Draught animals are the ones that are used as a farm labor. So all these terms again: tilling, irrigation, carting, Bos indicus cow, Bos bubalis buffalo, milch animal, milk producing females, draught animals which are used for farm labor. Next page. Lactation period. Jersey Brown Swiss. This is the name of exotic or foreign breed. Lactation period. Jersey Brown Swiss. Resistance. Resistance. Roofed sheds. Roofed sheds. Maintenance. Roughage. Concentrates. Roofed sheds means the shed that has got roof will be pronounced as roofed sheds. Maintenance, roughage, concentrates. Poultry farming, poultry farming. A seal, leghorn, a seal, leghorn. The images of a seal and leghorn are given here. So for image-based question, you should definitely learn how a seal and leghorn looks. Broiler chickens, broiler chickens. The other variety is known as layers. Deficiencies, plural of deficiency is deficiencies. Disinfectants, disinfectants. Shellfish, shellfish. Culture fishery, capture fishery. So if we are capturing the fish with the help of net, it is capture fishing. But if we are growing artificially by creating a pond, it is culture fishery. Now the important names will come of the marine fish varieties. It includes pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines, Bombay duck. It's not the duck made in Bombay. It is the name of a fish, Bombay duck. The other names, once again, pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines. So these are the finned fishes like mullet, bhetki, pearl mussels, and oysters. So once again, mullets, bhetki, pearl spots, shellfish such as prawns, mussels, and oysters. Here, the prawn is given to you both for the fresh water and marine water. So their names are Macrobrachium rosenbergi. Divide macrobrachium into two parts, macro and brachium. Together it will be spoken as Macrobrachium rosenbergi. This one, the marine prawn, Peneus monodon. Peneus monodon. Brackish estuaries, lagoons. Brackish estuaries, lagoons. This side, catlas, rohus, mrigals, grass carps or grass carps. You can speak anyway. Catlas, which are the surface feeders in the case of composite fish culture. Rohus, they exist in the middle zone, and mrigals or common carps, they are the bottom feeders. Grass carps feed on the weed. So they are talking about different fishes residing in different zones of composite fish culture. Here, image-based questions may include these fishes. So this one is catla, this one is silver carp, this one is rohu, this one is grass carp, this one is mrigal, this one is common carp. So catla, silver carp, rohu, grass carp, mrigal, common carp. Hormone stimulation. Hormone stimulation. Next word. So beekeeping will come under apiculture in this chapter, and all the scientific names of the bees are given. You must learn, MCQ question comes on it. So it will be pronounced as Apis sirena indica. This is the common, this is commonly known as Indian bee. So this one is the scientific name. Apis sirena indica. The rock bee has a scientific name as Apis dorsata. Little bee has a scientific name as Apis flori. Apis flori. Italian bee is pronounced as Apis mellifera. Apis mellifera. So all the names once again. Apis sirena indica. This is the scientific name of Indian bee. Apis dorsata is the scientific name of rock bee. Apis flori is the scientific name of little bee. Apis mellifera is the scientific name of Italian bee. The last word for this chapter is pasturage. Pasturage. So, according to me, I consider these words are difficult for the students to say whenever they are reading it for the very first time. However, as you become used to all these words, you will be able to pronounce them well. In case you are not feeling confident in saying these words at one go, you should go ahead with the video twice or thrice so that you will be able to say each word clearly and with confidence. Do consider subscribing so that you will get the updates from me. See you in next video. Thank you.